Hi, team. Welcome to another episode of TypeScript Zero to Hero series. In this video, we are going to talk about how to handle while loops in TypeScript. First off, we need to know what is while loop and how it works. In while loop, it loops through the block of codes like this way. It loops iteratively loops through the block of codes until a specific condition getting true. So let's see how it works with an example. So I'm creating a number variable called num and assign its value as 1. Then I'm creating my while loop. While, then I need to give the condition. My condition is while. I need to execute this while loop until number is less than or equal to 5. And I'm opening and closing curly brackets. Then what I'm going to do is I'm printing the number and the incrementation. It means one by one while the loop is executing, our number variable should be increased. So then I'm execute this one like this way. See, you can see from 1 to 5 the numbers are printed. Okay, let's see another example. I'm creating another variable called let count down equals 3. Then I need to execute this while loop until my countdown value is greater than to 0. While countdown is greater than 0, I will print the countdown value and I'm one by one minus the countdown iteration. So then I'm executing this one. You can see first print 3, then 2 and 1. So that's how it execute. The condition is execute until the expected condition is getting true. So that's it for now. In the next video, we are going to talk about do while loops. See you in there.